Okay, what's up guys? It's been a while since I've made a video. I trimmed off my face. My beard's gone. I just felt like it had to go. It was just bugging me. Fucking shit was all in my mouth and all that. So, if you don't know, in all my last videos, I just was letting it go. I need to get a regular haircut too, you know. Trim all that shit down, but I just didn't today. I was going to, but I ended up taking another route home, and I just kind of spaced on the haircut thing. I don't really care. I'll get to it though. But in this video, we're in my shed. We're gonna be working on a few car things. I'm gonna try to get this engine on my hoist. Well, not my hoist, my little engine stand. Maybe clean it up and see what the hell I gotta do. Kind of want to take the pan off, the oil pan. Check out under there. Just clean everything out. And then I got another engine over here that I want to put up on my table and see what the hell I got to do with it. I'll go find my crank. It's a 4G63 engine from like an Eagle Talon. I have to build one. I have two engines, so I gotta get those all wrapped up. So I just started loosening up all these things here so we can bolt to the block. So I just kind of thought I'd make a video. We're in my shed. It's gonna be a different kind of video, but with winter getting closer, we're probably gonna be doing a lot of work in here. I'm trying to get all this shit out of here. I don't know if you saw before, I had like a whole bunch of boxes like around here all stacked. I put my little fucking table over there, hung up some lights. This one's plugged in now. I don't know if you could tell, just this one, and it's working out really good. I need to get like a I don't know what you call it, like a plug-in strip, so I can plug this one in. I got another one here, but just whatever. This thing has a light under it too, so when we're working on the table, it'll be all lit up. It's not terrible. It's small, but it's all good. I built the whole shed, so it's tight as fuck. But anyways, without fucking dragging on too long, we should definitely try to get this motor bolted up to this little adapter, whatever. Get it on there. Basically, just bolt it on to where the transmission would bolt to. I have some old transmission bolts, so right here. See if some of these will work. Oh, they might need to be a little longer, but either way, we'll make it work. I'll figure out a way. Alright, I have the hoist in here at least. And now I gotta set the legs up. I've never done this before, but it's a really small shed. So yeah, now I have to try to wrap this thing up. See how I'm gonna get it lifted up just high enough to where I can get it on my engine stand. Yeah, we're gonna get this bitch a little higher, then try to get my stand on it. What an operation, huh? Never done this shit in my shed before. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. Alright, there it is. She's all the way on. Fuck it. Now we can work on it. I was just trying to reset it because this strap kept getting in the way here. So now I can spin it, I can lock it into place. Everything's set. I can get the hoist back out of here. So now I got to try to get my 46.3 out of here. It's just a short block. It's just bare as hell. But I got the crank for it. There's just this one right here. See, get out this stupid fucking hump right here. There it is, she's out. Now I'm gonna put her up on the table. So it needs to go down. Maybe be able to check it out. This thing was good. Now it looks like there's some fucking rust on the deck. Fucking cylinders are fucked. Try to fucking hone it, but that looks fucked. Let's see where my phone is. So I can show you guys. It's fucked up. It's fucked up. I left it in here way too long. Now I'm gonna need to get a bore for sure and get it line honed, because all of these are fucked up. So I need to take this in with the crank and get it all set up. I might as well just pay them to assemble this fucker. Damn it. I have the block that's in my car, but basically I did like a boost leak test, and all the boost is like, I resealed the head, so it has brand new valve seals. I lapped the valves, no water, air getting through it all, but it's like the compression is just going out the piston rings. So the engine in my Eagle Talon, maybe there's something messed up with the pistons or the rings themselves. But I mean, I guess I don't have to use this engine. I could try to pull the engine that's out in the car now and see the condition on it. The head's good, of course. This is a head I have to run, period. But damn it, I was really saving on this. I mean, I paid some money for it, and now it's fucked up because ultimately I can't fucking take care of my own shit. It's one of my own faults. Look at all this stuff in here. I can't take care of anything, man. I'm just one of those things. It's just is a real bummer. But I should have kept more oil on it. I oiled it before, but obviously not enough. There wasn't a big ridge right here either. I mean, it was okay. But definitely gonna try to get it bored out. I don't think I could, what do you call it? Use a ball hone. I don't think I could just hone this. Definitely gonna try to get a fucking bore. Get my deck fucking redone. This is toast. It's fucking all sorts of rust built up right there. Get it all cleaned up. Whatever. At least I pulled it out. This, on the other hand, we're just gonna flip it and pull the pan, see what the hell's going on underneath. Pull the valve cover. I think we're gonna put an RSX Type S oil pump, and we're gonna clean up all this stuff here. Redo the valve cover. Just clean up all this stuff and just get it set to put it in my car. I seen this one guy, Zosh. Zosh uses a like 50-degree VDC, BDC, whatever gear. I don't think I'm gonna fuck with it. I'm gonna let it do its thing. How it is, I seen Boosted Boys with a k24 turbo and in his MR2, and that was like 400 horsepower, so I think it should be enough with whatever cam gears on here. So I'm just gonna run it. I think we're just gonna change like the timing chain and tensioner. Just run the gear, run it like this. But I definitely want to pull the pan off so we can check the rods, see if there's any play, see if there's any hot spots. But right now, as of right now, the crank, it spins nice, freely. You hear all the compression. Everything's pretty good. So that's just my plan. This really sucks. I thought it'd be in better shape, but knowing me, I should have known that by the time I finally get to it, because I always put my projects off for a year, 2, 3. This Eagle Talon's been a long project. Thinking that we might put this in my Civic hatchback. I got a 99 hatch, or it's a 2000 hatchback, and we'll put this in there. I'll pull the motor out of it, sell it, and that'll pay for the engine mounts. So then I'll have the engine mounts. We'll get them from Passport, get the nice mounts. That all depends. I mean, if someone buys this K24 in the 5-speed, then I'll get rid of it all, and we'll just start fresh and something new. I really want to share with you guys the Eagle Talon, because that's been my main car. You never see one at any car meet. You never see one any magazine, any media coverage about them at all. It's just shit. People don't know what the fuck. So we're gonna get one going. Show the world what's up. Maybe try to get a Talon to fucking SEMA if they allow me, you know. Because the Talons are dope. So underrated. Dopest car I think ever. People say they're ugly. I think they grow on you after a while. One of the most beautiful cars I've seen. I love the hatch. No one knows what they look like. I'll post a picture down below too. But I don't know. I think that's it for this video. It might be 10-20 minutes long already, and we haven't done a thing. So I think in the next video we'll pull the pan, clean this thing up. We're not going to be able to do anything with this 4G63. I'm going to have to bring it to a machine shop, let them take care of it. We won't get any coverage on that or any film. But yeah, I dropped my crank off, get it bored, see what kind of bearings and shit I should get for it, get their recommendations. I was gonna go standard size everything, hone it out and run it, polish the crank and run it, plastic gauge at the least, but just try to get something rolling. Anyways, if you're still watching, you know, thanks a lot. Didn't get a whole lot done. I just haven't posted in a week. I'm usually busy all week. like Monday through Friday. I could post stuff at night or work on cars at night, but probably be in a setting like this in my shed. And I don't know, we'll get some more projects, get some other stuff going. But if you like the video, you know, like, comment, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff if you can. It really helps. And thanks for sticking with me and my fucking dumbass in my shed. And yeah, trim my beard, let me know what you think. Fucking, I like my beard and I don't like it. It's a love-hate thing. It was just getting too fucking long. It was just getting in my mouth, dude. I had like a mouth delete. Like, couldn't even see my fucking face at all. But now I look kind of different. It's whatever. It's kind of cold. You get used to it. It's a haircut, you know. My hair doesn't really grow on my head. It's kind of, I'm going bald. Really sucks ass. But my dad was a bald dude, so can you do? Except for grow bald. Fucking, my grandma just says I just got more face to wash. No big deal. See, she ain't so worried. Don't fucking get mad over the little things, you know. It's just hair. But this is a K24, and I'm Kevin Traub, and I'm fucking out. Peace.